Hey folks, just got off the phone with a client and here's one that many of us have experienced. The frustration of being told by your doctor that everything is fine when deep down you know that something is not quite right. It's a situation that just leaves us feeling powerless, anxious, misunderstood. And when I was talking to him, I just realized this is something that we've all been in. Those of us that have a sort of subclinical condition, that have ended up looking into alternative health, we're looking for answers to those nagging health issues that we almost feel bad about because it's not something that's life threatening, but we know for us it's definitely life altering. So they're called subclinical problems. They impact our daily lives, our well-being, our sense of self. But sometimes, even after waiting for weeks for a doctor's appointment, we're just met with this quick consultation, and the doctor's telling us everything's fine. Yeah, it's from speaking to that client just now. I could see that he just felt like he was hitting a brick wall with his doctor, and it just left him questioning everything, like his own intuition, his knowledge about his own body, just and even like his sanity. Today's reality is that doctors are under immense pressure, especially here in the UK with the NHS. Doctors' time is constrained, and they've got so many patients on their books, like they're forced to prioritize the most urgent cases. This is completely understandable, but it can be really disheartening for those of us who have dealt with chronic or kind of elusive health concerns like IBS or eczema or just a bit of fatigue. We leave the doctor's office feeling maybe even like we've just wasted their time a little bit, but we've definitely got unanswered questions. We felt unheard and yeah, frustrated. We've reached a point in 2023 where we have to step up, advocate for ourselves, take back control of our own health. Last month, I decided to make a green juice every day for 2 weeks. It's been a long time since I've done that. Not because it was prescribed to me by my doctor, but because I instinctively felt that my body needed it. And guess what? It made exactly the kind of difference that I knew it would, because I've built up that relationship with my body to know what I need and to know that it's going to feel that way. And it reminded me that we have this power. We have this power to understand and connect with our bodies at a deeper level. And it transcends, it goes beyond what we can get from our doctor. If we can tap in and we can get that deep level understanding with our bodies, this is so much more powerful than any kind of appointment or meeting that you're going to have with your dermatologist or with your doctor. One of my primary goals ever since I fell into becoming a health coach all those years ago was to guide you to towards becoming profound in your relationship with your body. If I'm not seeing my clients develop that peace of mind, that control and assurance that they're actively working towards healing, I feel like I'm failing. I feel like there's still lots of work to be done with that client. Folks don't always understand what functional health is. It's a transformative approach that goes beyond what traditional medicine usually offers. It's so your doctor might have already ruled out life-threatening diseases for you by running conventional testing, but functional testing takes it a big step further than that. So through functional lab testing, we're not only ruling things out like chronic disease, but we're also assessing your health on a spectrum that extends all the way to optimal well-being. I often talk about the wellness meter, where people are sort of either here with absolutely zero health, almost, just dead in the water, to being extremely sick, all the way up to being normal, but they don't think so much about the other side. So all the way around, I can't even bend my arm that way, but all the way around to feeling a bit of extra energy. I feel like going for a run today, or feeling like, hey, I feel like putting on a big event and telling everyone how good I feel, all the way up to 100% optimal self function in the body. So functional testing isn't just about identifying glaring issues, it's about uncovering hidden causes behind those persistent health concerns that you've got. Maybe it's a hormonal imbalance, a nutritional deficiency, a hidden gut bacterial imbalance, or something else completely. But by pinpointing these underlying factors, we can reveal personalized healing opportunities that are tailored to the individual. So look, if you're at the point where you're stuck, you've reached the ceiling with what you can do, I encourage you to take that deep dive into functional health. Look up functional medicine, functional health, do your own research on this, or reach out to me, have a conversation with me. You can book a no obligation free chat on the website, thevitalityproject.co.uk, and we'll have a chat about your condition, and we'll see if we might be able to help you.